Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we give you the inside scoop on the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're taking a close look at the LG Gram 16-inch lightweight laptop, Intel Evo Edition, a machine that's packed with power yet keeps its weight incredibly light. Whether you're a professional constantly on the move or someone who needs a robust laptop for both work and play, this model seems to have it all. But does it deliver as promised? Let's find out. The LG Gram 16-inch features some impressive specs that make it stand out in the ultra-lightweight laptop category. At the heart of this machine is the Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor, part of Intel's new AI-enabled Evo line. This processor promises to handle demanding tasks like content creation and productivity with ease. Paired with 32 gigabytes of RAM and a 2 terabyte SSD, you have more than enough memory and storage for multitasking, large file storage, and quick data access. The 16-inch WQXGA touchscreen display offers a resolution of 2560 by 1600, delivering crisp visuals with up to 99% DCI-P3 color accuracy. For those who need a laptop that doubles as a workstation for editing photos or videos, this display is a game changer. The laptop also boasts a 77 Wh battery, which LG promises will keep you powered through long work sessions and media consumption. Plus, with Thunderbolt 4 ports, USB 3.2, HDMI, and more, this laptop is geared up to handle all your peripheral needs. Now, let's dive into how these specs translate into real-world use. First, for everyday office tasks like web browsing, document editing, and video calls, this laptop performs smoothly without any lag. The 32 gigabytes of RAM means you can keep a lot of tabs open, jump between tasks without stuttering, and handle heavy-duty multitasking effortlessly. If you're into media consumption, the large, vibrant 16-inch display really shines. Streaming shows or movies on this laptop is a treat. Colors pop, and even wide-angle viewing doesn't sacrifice image clarity. For content creators, the 99% DCI-P3 color gamut is a real plus, especially if you're working on projects that require color precision, like photo or video editing. The display is also touch-enabled, so for certain tasks, it adds an extra layer of interactivity that enhances your overall experience. Whether you're editing or just navigating around the OS, the touch responsiveness is top-notch. Speaking of the OS, Windows 11 brings a smooth, modern interface that makes multitasking easy and enjoyable, especially with the AI-enhanced processor that learns and adapts to your habits. When it comes to gaming, you won't be pulling off AAA titles on this machine like you would on a dedicated gaming laptop, but it does handle lighter games and casual gaming sessions without a hitch. For example, games like Fortnite or Minecraft should run at respectable frame rates, but don't expect to push settings to the highest levels for graphically demanding titles. Now let's talk thermals and noise. The LG Gram is designed to stay cool under pressure, but given its ultra-thin design, some heat buildup is to be expected under heavy loads like gaming or video editing. The fan noise is also something to note. While it's generally quiet during light use, you'll hear the fans ramp up during more intensive tasks. Thankfully, the cooling system does a decent job keeping the temperatures under control without throttling performance too much. But if you're planning on using this for long gaming sessions or heavy video exports, expect some temperature increase around the keyboard and underside. On the portability front, the LG Gram 16 is impressively light, especially considering it has a large 16-inch screen. At just around 2.6 pounds, it's one of the lightest laptops of this size on the market, making it ideal for students, office workers, or anyone who needs a portable powerhouse. You won't feel weighed down carrying this around, and it fits comfortably in most bags. The 77 Wh battery offers a solid runtime, giving you anywhere from 8 to 12 hours of battery life depending on how you use it. Streaming videos or light productivity work will definitely push it closer to the 12-hour mark, while more intensive workloads like media editing will see shorter times. When it comes to the keyboard and trackpad, the typing experience is comfortable, thanks to decent key travel and responsive feedback. If you type a lot, you'll appreciate the spacious layout, which includes a number pad for added convenience. The trackpad is smooth and accurate, with good palm rejection, which helps reduce accidental cursor movements during intense typing sessions. The touchscreen also adds a layer of versatility for those who prefer touch interactions, though it's not a necessity for everyone. The connectivity options on this laptop are quite comprehensive, with 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 2 USB 3.2 ports, HDMI, and an SD card slot. The LG Gram is ready for anything, from connecting to external monitors for a dual display setup to transferring large files at impressive speeds. It's also equipped with Wi-Fi 6 for fast and stable wireless connectivity, which is crucial for productivity and media streaming. However, it's worth noting that the RAM and storage are not upgradable, so make sure you're comfortable with the 32 gig RAM and 2 terabyte storage configuration when you purchase it, as this is a machine that's designed for long-term use as it is. One of the key selling points of the LG Gram series is its build quality. The body is made from a magnesium alloy, which provides durability while keeping the laptop light. The laptop feels premium without being overly bulky, and the hinges are solid, giving a reassuring level of rigidity when opening or closing the lid. Over time, LG has built a strong reputation for making reliable laptops, and this model continues that trend. Customer support from LG is solid, with a good warranty and responsive service if you encounter any issues. In terms of value for money, the LG Gram 16-inch might come at a higher price point compared to other Ultrabooks in the market, but the combination of a large, vibrant display, powerful processor, and lightweight build makes it an appealing choice for those who need power without the extra weight. It competes well against models like the Dell XPS 17 or the MacBook Pro 16-inch, though the LG Gram's lighter weight and solid battery life might give it an edge for those who prioritize portability. So, who is this laptop best suited for? If you're a student, office worker, or content creator looking for a lightweight yet powerful laptop that doesn't skimp on performance, the LG Gram 16 is a strong contender. It's perfect for those who need a laptop that's easy to carry but can still handle demanding tasks. On the other hand, if you're a gamer or someone looking for a workstation-level graphics experience, you might want to consider a laptop with a dedicated GPU. Thanks for watching. If you're considering picking up the LG Gram 16-inch, the link to grab it is in the comments box below. If you already own this laptop or if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. Until next time, take care, and remember, when it comes to tech, we've got you covered on Reviews Inside TV.